Hi everyone, today we will be making some fish patties, and to that we will be needing half of a fillet of salmon, lemon juice, eggs, carrots, onion, some parsley, salt, pepper, mayo, and bread. So first things first, get your fish on the pan, little oil drizzle, salt, pepper, put it to bake 350 for 20 minutes. Then we're going to cut our bread, remove the outsides, the core, and soak this in milk or water, but milk is recommended until it's soft. Dice your onions, and now let's saute these until it's nice and soft and clear. And then we're going to grate our carrots, and once the onions are pretty much done cooking, we're going to throw in our carrots and continue cooking until it's soft. Now our fish came out. It's nice and hot. We're going to put this apart. Make sure you get your bones out, because you don't want any bones in your patties. So I squish them with a fork like that, and all the bones kind of stay straight position, so then you can see them sticking out. So yeah, and you can use canned fish if you like. It also works great, but fresh is better. Throw in all the ingredients in here: mayo, salt, eggs, lemon juice, the bread, remove excess milk, squeeze that out and throw in the bread in here, and just have your mixture ready. Then once that's done, heat up your skillet and let's fry these. So you can fry them like that. If it starts sticking to the bottom and you just don't like it, you can make patties in your hands, dip them in flour, and then place them to cook. That's another version. So just so you have an idea in case it sticks. And then these come out very beautiful. And on the non-stick pan, they come out amazing without any flour needed for dipping. They come out pretty, and just cook it over medium-low heat. And yeah, so seems very good when it cooks on the non-stick skillet. These are beautifully delicious. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, you guys are amazing.